Hi everyone, my name is Christy and I can't even hide my excitement. I have been waiting for this package all day. I was stalking every delivery truck that was driving by my house, just anxiously waiting for this to arrive. I don't know why I'm like so extra excited for it this month, but this is my May 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I think I just have missed getting packages, missed shopping, and this brings me some excitement during these kind of boring quarantine pandemic times. And I was a little bit unsure if Ipsy was going to be able to ship out boxes for the month of May. So really excited to get this. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's a monthly beauty subscription service. This is the $25 box, but they have a $12 bag, a $25 box, and a $50 box. I'm subscribed to all three levels. This is the first box that I'm getting, but I'll be doing my unbagging and unboxing for all of them. I also am subscribed to BoxyCharm. I get the $25 a month BoxyCharm box, but guess what? I just signed up for BoxyCharm Premium as well. So that's $35 a month. So I'm so excited about that. So I'll have 5 beauty subscription box unboxings for the month of May, but I'm so excited about it. With Ipsy, I do full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get. I do the same for BoxyCharm, and then at the end of the month, trying all of my makeup products, I will do a full face makeup tutorial using all of my Ipsy products, so then I can update you on my thoughts of the products. But I know why you're watching this video. You want to see what I got, so let me just go ahead and jump into it. I love Ipsy and I love watching the unboxings because everyone, for the most part, gets different boxes. They're customized to you based off of a survey that you fill out and the feedback that you give each month based off the products that you get. And you can also redeem the points that you earn from reviewing the products each month for free products. So I actually redeemed for a lot of free products. I redeemed my points. You can also get points when you have friends sign up through your referral link. So I always put my referral link in the description down below, but anyone that has an Ipsy subscription has a referral link. So without further ado, here it is. Looks like there's a product card and there's no product information on it. That's such a bummer. I like when I get product information that tells me the retail value. I believe in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, it's supposed to be at least like $125 value. I don't really know for sure because my card doesn't say, but there is a great app for Ipsy, so I can look at my app to figure out the value of my items. Honestly, these cards that they put in the boxes that don't have product information are just kind of like a tease. I'm like, I don't even want a card if it's not gonna have product information. It just kind of gives, okay, so this one gives highlighter 101, powder liquid cream, like I don't even feel like reading this. All I want is the product information, so it's a waste of a card for them to just send me that. But so, let's see what I got in my Glam Bag Plus. So the Glam Bag Plus box comes with 5 full-size products. The first product I'm pulling out is from the brand Girlactik. I actually tried out my first Girlactik product last month. I got the lip balm. This is the Skin Glow Duo. Retail value of $26. All right, let's see what this looks like. I have this in the shade Moonlight. Ooh, cute. Ooh, I like the packaging on this. Ooh. Should I do a little swatch? It looks like they're both shimmery. Ooh. Are they cream? They're kind of creamy. Like a blush shade and a bronzy shade. Yeah, I would actually say these are like cream products. Oh, beautiful texture. Beautiful glow. I hope you can see those swatches. Very pretty. I love the texture. I'm so excited to try these on my face. All right, next up, Mudmasky After Mask Vitamin Serum, pH balancing. It says extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, nourishing. I am not familiar with this brand. This is the full-size product with a retail value of $52.88. Here's what it looks like. It sounds really nice and it's definitely expensive, but I personally just get so much more excited about makeup products. I have so much skincare from all of my beauty subscription boxes. It's hard to keep up with it all. I love skincare. I've actually started doing a mask every night just to like treat myself, pamper myself, and go through some of my skincare products more. And I always use a serum, so I'll try this out, but you know, I'm not so excited. I would rather a makeup product. That's just me personally. So let's see what this is. Ooh, Mimosa Moment eyeshadow palette by Raine. This is cute packaging. Vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free. Raine. I know this brand because of Ipsy. I think I've tried out some highlighters or eyeshadows. So let's check out this palette. I love this baby pink packaging. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love it. This is a great travel neutral palette. Sorry, my ring light. 6 shades. This looks so pretty. 4 mattes, 2 shimmers. I'm gonna save my swatching for when I do the full dedicated review video on this, but this looks like so pretty. I love a neutral eyeshadow palette. I was thinking that this must have been the product that I chose because Ipsy lets you choose one product for each of your glam bags, but it's actually not. But this is almost what I would have chosen, so I'm really excited that I still got it. This has a retail value of $22. So I'm gonna add up the total value of this box after going through all of the products. So next I'll pull out, ooh, this is from Tarte. I love the brand Tarte. It's the Tartiste Lip Paint in the shade Home Slice. So like I said, this is the Tarte Tartiste Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Home Slice. And I have actually already tried out this product when I got it in Ipsy before. I tried it out in the shade Festival though, and I love it. It's such a great matte lip product. So I already did a full dedicated review video on that, which I can have linked down below if you want to see it. But I'm excited to have another one of these because I really like them. Let's check out the shade Home Slice. Ooh, this looks pretty. I'll go ahead and do a swatch because I'm just so excited to see. I love the doe foot applicator on these because it has a little bit of like a bend to it. Ooh, beautiful nude peach. I think that's going to be such a pretty shade for the summer. And I love how long lasting these are. And this retails for $20. And then my 5th and final product. Oh, this is the product that I chose. It's from the brand Wander Beauty. I love the brand Wander Beauty. It's funny, this doesn't have any sort of packaging on it. It's not even sealed at all. It also doesn't say on it what it is. It's weird to me that this didn't come sealed at all or in a box or anything like that. If you got this product, let me know if yours came sealed or packaged in any way. But this is the Wander Beauty Frame Your Face Precise Brow Gel in Clear. And I chose this because I love brow products and I love the brand Wander Beauty, but I am still on the search for a great brow gel. I love clear brow gels and I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel, but I used that up. So I figured I would give this one a try. This retails for $22. And of course, we have the makeup bag, which I think this is so cute. I love an ombre and it has the cute tassel on it. Oh, this is so pretty. Just gives me happy vibes. So I love this design. It's kind of small for a Glam Bag Plus, but it's a unique shape, so I think this is nice. I feel like I got a great mix of products. I got mostly makeup, 1 skincare product, but it's pretty high-end skincare product, so I'm excited about that. So overall, I am really happy with what I got in my May 2020 Glam Bag Plus box. I'll do a quick recap because what I got, I feel like is almost enough to do a full face. I like that it's all different types of products. It's not like I got multiple eye products or lip products. So of course I got the makeup bag. I got the Mimosa Moment eyeshadow palette from Colored Raine. Then I can move on to my face makeup with the Girlactik Skin Glow Duo, which is like the cream blush and bronzer. I did get the Aftermask Vitamin Serum. Make sure that my skin is looking good before applying all the makeup products. I got the Wander Beauty Clear Brow Gel. Doing my brows is so important to me. And last but not least, the Tarte Lip Paint for a beautiful, easy lip color, which is in the shade Home Slice. So great products. I'm really excited about them. I'm sure you can tell. And the total retail value adds up to $142.88, which I paid $25 for all of these products. So I think that is such a great deal. And these are actually products that I would purchase. So I feel like I got such a good deal on them. So let me know in the comments down below what you got in your May 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I love hearing. And let me know if you've tried any of these products and what your thoughts are on them. And if there's any products that you're most excited for me to try out first in my reviews, let me know. I kind of feel like I'm gonna go for the eyeshadow palette first. I just love trying out eyeshadow palettes. It's so much fun playing around with eyeshadows. But if there's anything you really want me to try out, I can definitely prioritize doing those review videos first. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup I try every day, all of my unboxings, and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and healthy.